everybody, welcome to Tangal Online School. Dear student, how are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today, I will teach you your English for today for class 7. Now, dear student, take your textbook and khata and enjoy the class through Tangal Online School in Facebook. Now, dear student, at first I want to introduce myself with you. I am Muhammad Saiful Islam, Assistant Teacher English, Bagbai Chowbari High School, Tangal Shodor, Tangal. Class 7, subject English for today, Unit 4, Lesson 2. Dear student, look at the picture. Can you guess? Yes, you can guess. This is a picture of a teacher. Her name is Shahana. She is a teacher of a local high school. In the picture, we can see that she is in the class. So, dear students, can you guess what is our today's topic? I think you can guess. Yes, today we are going to discuss about a teacher. In the picture we can see that a teacher is talking to the students in the class. So, dear student, right, our today's topic is teacher. Learning outcome. After finishing the lesson, you will be able to answer the question, write the meaning of the word, fill in the blanks, match the word, write a paragraph. So, if you go through the pages, you will be able to answer these kinds of question. Now, dear students, I would like to request you to open your textbook, go through the pages attentively so that you can understand the pages clearly. Shahana's husband, Mr. Jamil Huda, works in a company office. His firm has a vacant position. On several days, he told Shahana, I want you to apply for the post. But Shahana said, please don't insist. I am joining the local high school as a teacher. What do you find in a teaching job, Shahana? I don't want you to do it. Her in-laws were also on his side. Yet Shahana joined the school against the will of the family. Weeks, months went by. Every day Shahana helps with the household work. Every day she works hard to prepare her lesson. Every day she goes to school, teaches her students and helps both weak and bright ones. They often come to her in the teacher's room, in the corridor, and even on the road and talk to her about any academic or personal problems. Within a year, Shahana becomes a very good teacher. Students give her salam wherever they see her. Teachers, even the head teacher, admire her. Parents and other people in the community come to see her at home and at the school and pay her great respect. One day her husband said, "You have opened my eyes, Shahana. Teaching is more than a job. I didn't know it. Congratulations." "Thank you," she smiled. "Tell me, Shahana, how you could be such a great teacher?" Jamil wanted to know. "I don't only teach my subject. I care for my students. I love them. I myself demonstrate good behavior and inspire them to be good. That's all I do," replied Shahana. So dear students, I think you have gone through the pages attentively. Now I would like to request you to go to the another point. Now take your khata and write the meaning of the word. Here are two kinds of meaning, both Bengali and English. Now write the meaning in your khata. Vacant means empty in Bengali, shunno or khali. Position means post or employment in Bengali, pod. Apply means FL in Bengali, abedan kora. Insist means persist in Bengali, jor kora. Local means native in Bengali, sthaniyo. Against means in opposition to in Bengali, biruddhe. Week means hebdomet in Bengali, saptah. Household means domestic in Bengali, paribarik. Weak means dull in Bengali, durbol. Bright means brilliant in Bengali, medhabi. Corridor means lobby in Bengali, baranda. Academic means institutional in Bengali, pratishtanik. Personal means individual in Bengali, byaktigoto. Problem means difficulty in Bengali, সমস্যা. Admire means praise in Bengali, প্রশংসা করা. Parents mean father and mother in Bengali, পিতা মাতা. Husband means hubby in Bengali, স্বামী. Community means fellowship in Bengali, সম্প্রদায় or society. Respect means সম্মান in Bengali, in English honor. Congratulations means compliments in Bengali, অভিনন্দন. Smile means laugh in Bengali, মৃদু হাসি. Demonstrate means exhibit in Bengali, প্রদর্শন করা. Behavior means attitude in Bengali, আচরণ. Inspire means encourage in Bengali, অনুপ্রাণিত করা. Care means looking after in Bengali, যত্ন. Reply means answer in Bengali, উত্তর করা. Great means eminent in Bengali, মহান. So dear students, I think you have written the meaning of the word in your khata, both in Bengali and English, so that you can understand the pages easily. The students, look at the picture. In the picture you can see that Shahana is going to school and the students are showing respect to her. They are giving salam to her. In the other picture you can see that the students are sharing their personal problem to her. As in the pages we have seen that Shahana helps the weak and bright student. The student come to her for their personal and academic problems, and Shahana helps them to solve their problem. Now, dear students, I think you have gone through the pages. Now, I would like to request you to answer the following questions from the pages. 1. Who is Mr. Jamil Huda? Where does he work? 2. What does Shahana want to become? 3. Where do the students meet to her? 4. Who come to see her at home and at school? 5. Who congratulates her and why? The students, if you go through the pages attentively, you will be able to answer these questions easily. I am helping you. Check your answer. Mr. Jamil Huda is Shahana's husband. He works in a company office. 2. Shahana wants to become a school teacher. 3. The students meet her in the teacher's room, in the corridor, and even on the road. 4. Parents of the students, the other people in the community, come to see her at home and at school. 5. Shahana's husband, Mr. Jamil Huda, congratulates her because he doesn't have any good idea about teaching, and Shahana made him to understand that teaching is more than a job. So that's why he congratulates her. Dear students, read the text again and match the words with their meanings. Words and meaning. In left side there are words and in the right side there their meaning. 1. Company. 2. Vacant. 3. Status. 4. In-laws. 5. Corridor. 6. Academic. 7. Admire. 8. Demonstrate. 9. Inspire. In right side, A long narrow passage in a building. B. Relatives by marriage, especially husbands or wives, family members. C. To show something by doing. D. Connected with study or education. E. To encourage somebody to do something well. F. High rank or social position. G. Business. H. Empty. I. To show respect. Dear students, I think you are trying to match the words yourself. I am helping you to solve your problem. Check your answer. 1 plus G, 2 plus H, 3 plus F, 4 plus B, 5 plus A, 6 plus D, 7 plus I, 8 plus C, and 9 plus E. Dear students, I think you have completed your writings. Now come to the next point. Evaluation. I think you have understood the lesson clearly or easily. Now I will give you a word by which I will justify your merit, how much you have learned from this lesson. Complete the pages with words from the box. In the box there are some words: the, pilot, she, and, in, observation, classes, whether, young, the, girl, good. So dear students, you will have to complete the pages with the words from this box. A father is talking to his dash daughter about her aim in life. B, dash girl wants to be a pilot. C, dash father asks her why. The young dash replies that the job of a dash is challenging that she likes. Besides, dash likes the speed and high responsibilities dash a pilot's life. The father asks dash she is not afraid of flying dash. The daughter says an accident is dash accident. The father appreciates his daughter's dash and wishes her dash luck. Dear students, I think you are trying to solve your problem. Now I am helping you to solve your problem easily. Now check your answer. Option A, young. Option B, D. C, D. D, girl. E, pilot. F, she. G, in. H, weather. I crashes J N K observation and L good. So dear student, write the answer quickly. Dear students, I think you have enjoyed the class very much and you have gone through the pages attentively. Now I will give you a homework. Write the homework in your khata. Write a paragraph about a teacher and when your school will be open, you will have to submit your homework to your teacher. So try to write a paragraph about a teacher from the text you have enjoyed. Dear students, I think you have enjoyed the class very much and you have understood the lesson clearly. Now I will request you to stay at home, pursue your learning activities, pass your time with your family member. Don't move here and there, just stay at home. You know there is no medicine to fight with coronavirus and there is only one solution, and that is we have to be aware. We should not go out without personal protection. We have to use mask or PPE when we go out, and we have to wash our hand frequently, at least 20 seconds with water and soap. When our school will be open, we will meet at the school. Till then,